Hey guys, this is Preet from LEPAGE Flower City. We are back again with one more listing. This is feel like a cottage house, but it's a detached home with a 4.3 acre of land. It's 9622 Wellington Road on 22. Come and take a look. As I told you, this property can give you a little feel of cottage. I'm going to show you how the kitchen. It's a beautiful countertop. It's a wooden countertop with a wooden cabinets. If you see, it's a brand new appliances with a gas stove with a brand new range hood. I just want to show you this how this will work. So you don't have to work on it. This property features a main bedroom, plus they have a beautiful view outside if you can see that. Let's show you the washroom now. This property have a walkout basement with a family room, and they have a separate patio on the side, plus they have a separate full washroom. As I told you, this house is a main feature as a sunroom addition. If you can see that, it's have adjustable windows with a beautiful view on the back. And this is the main feature. If you can sit in the night with the family. So we are in the backyard of the property right now. If you see, it's a treed lot with a natural beauty. And if you see, come here. So this is the pond in the property where you can have chill with your family and your children can play. It's a beautiful lot. How can this property can pay your mortgage? This RV trailer worth $110,000. It's already finished with one bedroom, one washroom and one kitchen with a family room. And it can easily go with Airbnb and it can be pay your mortgage easily. So this is the thing, it's included with the property on the listing price. Hope you like the virtual tour for this property. If you want to book a showing, please give me a call, 647-390-4591. Thank you. Have a wonderful day.